Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows build and whether your system is 32 or 64-bit. Drivers differ. Once done, create a system restore point and export current drivers to revert if needed. Next, disable fast startup and any antivirus that can lock files because ene.sys may be blocked during replacement. After those prerequisites, you'll download the correct ene.sys driver package from a trusted vendor and extract it to a known folder. Do not run installers yet. You boot into safe mode with networking so system locks are minimized. This lets you replace system drivers safely. Once in safe mode, take ownership of the existing ene.sys and set full permissions so you can rename or delete it. Then copy the extracted new ene.sys into the proper system 32/drivers folder or run the driver installer while in safe mode. After replacement, use SC or Devkin to register the driver or update via Device Manager to ensure Windows recognizes the new file. You reboot normally and immediately open Device Manager to confirm the driver loads without errors. Look under System Devices or the specific vendor node. If problems persist, run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair corrupt system files, then reinstall the driver. Make sure to check Event Viewer for ene.sys-related errors and timestamps to pinpoint failures. If nothing works, restore the system restore point you made earlier and try a different driver version, or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.